Hi there, Face here. Welcome back to Nick Jr. Burr, burr, burr. It's me, Face, and I'm gonna show you some of my favorite train sounds. The trains go. Well, how about this one? Ding 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 ding. How about this one? Choo choo! Hey, that sounds like a train whistle. Choo choo! Wasn't it fun? Hey, Nanalan is next on Nick Jr. Burr, burr, burr.